Okay guys, we're back at it again. You can see we got a mail call in. We'll be doing a shout out for my buddy Duke over there. Hey bud, hope all is well. Get my camera set up right. So we'll start right off with the shout out. Pull this stuff aside for a minute. You can see I'm working on a TT02. We got it stripped and ready to go, but we'll talk about that in a second. So let's start. Sorry about my mess. The process of doing 10 things at once, like always. So, Island RC Duke. You gotta go check him out. He's big into models and whatnot, and he likes these four-wheel drives. Lately, he's been doing a lot of his nitro karting. He gets into that. He having a lot of fun with that. He got a new pipe or something along those lines, if I remember correctly. But he's always in the comments. Always great to see him. Solid member of the community, in my opinion. Real cool dude. Yup. Anyways, you gotta go check them out. I'll put a link in the description and all that. I think I'm gonna keep the orange one here because there's a lot of dark colors and there's a lot more orange in here. So yeah, so I'm gonna put it up here. I think that's not bad. Hope you dig that, Duke. I appreciate you, brother. Hopefully you get mine soon. Yeah, I dig it. Always a good view, my friend. Always good to see you in the comments. Always good to check out what you got going on. Like I said, he just got done upgrading his nitro Beetle. That thing's freaking cool, Zach. Anyways, I hope you guys dig what we're doing. Oh, what am I doing? Let me see what he's got here. It's early, guys. He gave me a nice little note. He writes a lot nicer than me, man. Let me tell you, my chicken scratch is just that, you know. He digs my videos, and yeah, I really dig you, Duke. I appreciate everything. We're gonna keep your other sticker for the game room, which we're working on block today for that. So I got about a half hour before I have to go out and get some work done. You know, and then we'll keep moving. So thanks again, Duke. Check him out. Island RC Duke. Awesome channel. So I don't know what any of this is, but I've been ordering a ton of stuff for the TTO. We had, after the last run, the three locations, this chassis I had ordered just before. You see the cracks all the way through. I did the old super glue and ash trick. We use baking soda if you want, and it held up. You saw that last crash. It was pretty gnarly. So I got to take my hub extenders off still, and a couple other pieces, but we're gonna get rolling on that. But what you're here for, scissors. Just had them. What I do with them? Oh, they're there. So what you're here for is see what we got. So this one, I'm not sure. I did a video on it. It came in. It was part of the phase 3 upgrades for the TTO, and that's it. We got our motor started. So we stripped all that off. This is going to go for our servo mount to help us with steering. All the upgrades I did are primarily for steering, because that's my biggest problem, is keeping that damn thing planted. So what do we got here? Oh, I needed one of these. It's just the Dean's to XT60 connector, so I can run the so I can charge my Virgenix batteries. That's an easy one. Nothing exciting there, but they're useful. I was able to make, I don't have any XTs. Normally I would make my own, but I don't have any XTs. And I suppose I could have just bought a whack of those, but why not get something that's working instead of taking a chance right now? So, okay, so here's one of our pinions. This is for our backup. You'll see we got this one and this Traxxas. So these are, we're going to start with this one. We're going to move on to the Traxxas afterwards. That's a 34 pin. And this is a 25, I think. So we're going to start with that one if we go that way. We're going to stick with the Mod 6 for now. So that's a backup. It was real cheap. It was relatively inexpensive. This is where I got it from. QR codes there. And I'm keeping a tally. We just had a big setback with the crash from yesterday. We ended up having to, I lost a bunch of dog bones. I lost I lost a cup and a dog bone. I thought I lost two of each, but was able to find 2 of them. And I was looking into replacing it. You're looking at $20-$30 just to get CVDs. So I went and got a set. I tapped into the next car fund kind of deal and called in some favors for the remainder of it. But we were able to get, we'll be here this week, we're able to get a full set of EA Racing swing arms with CVDs. That'll be part of this. So you're going to see some videos of this. This is our chassis, which that means we can start rolling now. So we're going to build this right up from scratch using a lot of these parts. And now that I know what I'm doing a little more, I can take a little more time and get it perfect, you know, get it the way I want it. And I might need a new top diff case. This one's kind of seen better days, but I'm going to make it work. We're really tapped out. No more money on this project. This is it. So we got to make everything that this project has work with what we got. So cross your fingers. No more serious breaks. That means I'm going to be a lot more careful. I'm not going to be smashing her. You know, I'm not going to take that extra push. Awesome. These were recommended to me by Mike over at RCRX, and I've seen a lot of the other guys using them too. But so I got my contacts. So for the first couple runs, though, before while I'm getting my feet wet, I'm going to use. Hold on, I'll be right back. So I'm back. First couple runs, we're going to use these. These are pretty good, solid tires. So just for the shakedowns, we're going to get it to 40-45 with these, maybe 50. I'm going to take my time. We got a whole month. I mean, yeah, we are racing, but sorry about that cut, guys. So I don't know where I left off, but looks like I ran out of hard drive space on the phone, so I emptied it out. I was talking about these tires. So that my plan with these tires is to use these again for the shakedowns. I'm not going to waste my foams right off the get-go. You're going to need them to last. So and a month's a long time, so I got to get at least 4 or 5 runs out of it. These will hold up well enough to get used to the car and used to the new suspension and everything we're at. So I think that's all. I don't think I missed anything in terms of purchases on that last one. So, but I do want to thank my sponsors. I wouldn't be able to do any of this without them. We got over at Diamond Hobbies. They're the X-Team distributor. They hooked us up with this. So we're jumping from a stock. This is what we started with, which is a 540 3930 kV. This is a 2845 again. Don't forget, it might look like a 540, but it's 2845. And we're going to the 3650 54 kV, which is the highest kV they have from X-Team. So hopefully this does the job and kick some butt. Unless you want to go, you get to the 3660s or larger sizes that need larger bullets. I'm trying to keep everything on the base electronics. I'm trying not to change plugs out. I don't want to get into that. I want to use these for other things, so it's not just for the TTO. Anyways, that's about where that is. We're gonna start building this. You'll start seeing. I'm not gonna do a full build video with all this, but we're gonna get it out and do a video of what was changed. So once the Yay Racing stuff comes in, we'll probably put that in also, the mail call for that. So hopefully you guys dig this mail call. It's not a real long one, but it's more of an update and everything else that's going on. And make sure you check out all the guys. Check out Brent, check out Santy, check out TT02. I love that dude. Check out Trey, Mike, Adam, RC Birds, Dirk, Will, Jason, MC, our Mike over at RCRX, and Larry. Larry's awesome. It's Bear Time RC, man. He just put out a cool basher. Almost knocked himself out with that one. Anyways, and of course our latest RC Duke, Island RC. He's freaking awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I got a bunch more out and a bunch more supposedly coming, so we're adding to this. We're just gonna keep going, and yeah, this community's awesome. This community's awesome. Oh, Iowa. Hopefully we get yours soon, and I'm so happy you got your TTO going. I'm ecstatic, man. I'm glad to see you in the fun, and seeing that kind of camaraderie in the community is just it warms you. It's nice to see a win for somebody that's going through a tough time. It's just like, you know, all ours. God bless your daughter there, bud. I'm so happy she's doing good. I personally, little side thing, I've seen that firsthand. My wife and I were dog catchers for the town of Henrietta, and I've seen a lot of bad stuff. A lot of people shouldn't be animal owners that are, and I don't know how to fix that. That's, you know, you can't fix stupid. And hopefully it all goes right. She looks like she's doing good. Anyways, go check them out, give them some support. We did there's some videos. I think Jacko Trade's got a thing going right now for one of them bikes to do what do they call it, a fundraiser for him, a GoFundMe. So check him out, Jacko Trade, and help out all RC Fun and get them taken care of, man. Again, this community is great. I'm new to RC. I'm new to YouTube, and I can't say anything. It's not like the other communities in YouTube. They're pretty cutthroat, pretty crazy. I like doing all RC, so I'm not into one versus the other. And anyways, enough looking at all this stuff. And I want to also thank Ergenics. These guys have been beyond awesome. Probably going to give away a couple of their battery bags and whatnot at some point. And make sure you check out our member section. If any help would be good to keep us rolling. I'm trying to get it. YouTube doesn't agree with anything under $2.99, I think it is. I tried to do $1 one, just to, you know, $1's $1. You know, like it's a lot easier to get somebody to give up $1 than $6 or $7 for a little YouTube channel like ours. So, and the member section don't work. Oh well, you know, there's about 20 videos up in there now, and most of them are just long plays of the stuff you see. Not as flashy, but definitely get a little closer in-depth view of us and what we're doing. So anyways, that's all I got. All about the Gophers. Dismissed.